Mama wakwaba aha GCN page so midin de adwoa search and then the day the kanya wo de ehwe me a mesra na wa subscribe to my channel. We are now don sa emia bell no so we be notification and say news said betu we we nye bietie and I say we nye bi ahwe wo GCN page ha. Felix appear kasa de ma NPP amayokodo wo Facebook ni Facebook ni din the political zone. Na Felix and okase na o kire say Mary Boadu a wokasa de ma NDC di wan kasa na so ye NPP ni wo ma me kra ni nua na His Excellency na nado dan Akufo-Addo a ende na nado ni ho ahinti wa koye campaign de ma o mampani dada John Dramani Mahama so be president a wo ye anye Felix chese auto wonkra what say wote sisi Facebook ni enim se hwe wo kra ye hu se wo account no so mo terminate we sisi you sisi what Felix chese wote YouTube e na wo di nsem hu a wo kasa sisi campaign kura oye me NDC fo do NDC fo adan ne omo echi ama wo o ma pen dada John Dramani Mahama kwa adan ne echi ama wo enne eyi NDC fo omo blogger kese ya oti Facebook odi atami Kevin Taylor na no ye dimbuta kana asemato enne ndi we twabo Mary Boadu enya semketo akra ni ho abufu na Mary ekire sense me ekoso ni NDC fo ayom adan ne omo echi ama no omo adan ne omo echi ama ne omo pese omo bekin bi ama ne Kevin Taylor si ne platform so Facebook no twa na da pai no wa fa ne ho adwen because about year 2020 amanfo wo bro ne kundua ne mbedua odanka se dua je se atem wodi na busuafo ne nya atem keto akra o sacrifice the NDC party ne ndey mo ayi ne mu e na mo agya no e na waya tentehu e wo social media no so na manfo di na tem le na Marie ndey enim ne kasa oka asa okasa be NPP fo asa okasa be NDC fo yeni bebia Marie okura ne na na Felix apia chese ma me ewu ma no wani nka wamrem wo so ye NPP wo mpe wa kwa NDC a fine obi ani wo nya asem ne mom ne ye study the bank kasa wo be NPP because NPP fo ni ya so nsem hu so yenti ensem a Felix apia e de etudwa
yet ya say we did not have nothing. Ntanki yekotie Bayifo bi te se Mary Boadu akwasi ampafo bi te se Kevin Taylor yekotie womo na nke man to kwasi Ghana na Ghana tete ya anko omo kwasi asika ya de ma omo no maji o Kevin Taylor ende onu otwi Benz otwi E class yeah okasama Mahama nti ende oto otwi E class oto otwi Benz E class Uchi Benz E class we be di atrose Mahama win nti munko ye dede e ma akola 50 today me say when that thing came out now show me the first thing I remembered was akola na omobo ni tio north no okaya the 15-year-old omobo ni tio ye abaye mpene ono so ba bonti aba be di dede na chi pe wu a bright 15-year-old girl loses her life. Who knows what this child could have become? Yakutie NDC fo ano ama obi ahwere ne ma obi ahwere ne papa yakutie ya wini o ya ne yekura papers no ya ne yekura we ya wini we said all this nonsense to fool their own shallow-minded boka members because I had come here to tell you people say NDC have no case. All they are doing is to set the grounds to say, a better to say, Monfama Mahama, because at the end of the day, you know, and yeah, apart from so, no, almost see, you know. Until you could tear some quasi of who we cheat, now show me. And ya cocoon, ya. And can ya say Ghana? I'm will be a jiska at the Gunibutum. Ya bet na ne can. Ghana for befa a banner ye canonia said that the or time. Unu. Or time, hunu. Ni ashada di aba afa we ni afa we nka enti yenko miem because of this election you're at the Ghana for a baby that you and because of this election Marie Amwakwa Boadu say insurrection na isiye ewa America no ebinsi wo Ghana samokai Utra video, utra picture, it was say NDC youth. This is how you restore power. Fight. Make an insurrection. Munko ye coup d'etat. Oba or to London. Saturday we no say jama say or ye teacher so ye teacher assistant so say then will be or children kwada de children kwada say yenko to abangu as a way of no wa jiska kakra ya tetarfere bibi kakra man na tafre onya seb fame kakra say o mari Boadu ya ade o NDC say UK mari Boadu ne di yenim enu nti she is willing to sacrifice a whole nation. She is willing to sacrifice a whole nation's progress just so she can be seen. Say a banner NDC Wuyuka Maria Mwakwa Boadu or Kasedi or Tebrofo or dress like Jimmy. God will punish you. And you, I told you, Maria Boadu, I told you, my pamwe free Facebook. Matesa oda sote YouTube who Jimmy. Yes, he say the only NDC for no kosa obeba NPP. Me mashada na mimbia o. Because these are things I told you. Me jina be paid. This one I'm catching will say, sa chaos now you are looking for. Say beba eye NPP for abre so na Ghana titia pansam. She say time wa ye hihye ta ye ya de na Marie Bayifo Boadu akotwe camera be si nanim aseme na oka. Or person media for no Ghana, Al Jazeera, everybody storm Ghana, go and see how Akufo-Addo has destroyed Ghana. Ghana's downfall was your stupid happiness, Marie Bayifo Boadu. And then one will say, wait up every day. After they see their fellows appear better than I can say. Omuni any evidence to what they are saying. To Ghana for my yen say Ghana. Let's put Ghana together now. And when they see you don't get here, Babe confirm. What do you have to say to that? Marie Bayifo Boadu I will tell London. Today I'm talking to you. And when Timoko share Bayifo baby, she say on the pass, some mama say me record wukrumua. Moko share or trufo baby. Or no swen chebie nyame ne bedi. Mempai ba mi bobi aye adwuma kwasi apia metia na mempai ba mi bobi aye adwuma na ono so nyame ni bedi osɛ kwa me ebia me bɔ mpai a woni e peme nam no wo bɛwi wonam wo na woni e peme mogya no wo mogya na be si na mansan ni na ehunu mokofa wo bɛyi agire bre no se ni kunu bre no mo ye wedding ade UK ma wo mo kama said de bɛyi a o impress me na so na menya me nai moko hihye obi achi yambe pa asem mfama me obi a me ba Canada mabɔ me bra me nkoye obi bone me tuwe yenche me nkotu mi se makoye sei me kodi none of that me record be ask everybody. The did trauma mema bekenti no na makwohye shomachi na nka me famu ya se ma fankwase ewu mu ewu mo di trato me so ma mewu me call Ghana obi di ade egbo mitiri mu kumi anka mo di trato me so ene de mo nam ena mama madam reverend say mora ena etete mo se nkuntomire pe on dia oye mo no mora no so on dia oye mo pe obubu mo se nkuntomire. I stood for the truth. My own people gave me out. Because my Becca say, na Akufo-Addo aban ne ye papa. Obi lose election, maybe jina ka say. Se makoya ade hu dawuro na yampa. Don't say because I remember, oh my God Almighty. I remember quite clearly. Before we went to the Supreme Court, NDC had filed a motion 35, and out of the 35, 30 was mistake. So the Supreme Court has asked them to go correct it. So from that day, I'm say, Anna NDC former person will play fast one just to whipen their base. Say, oh, your case. Now me yes, I will delve down and see the fact. Omo call the Chima South. No mo start say ade ne yenye ne say ye nipa na ewu Akufo-Addo aku nipa no de ade ye nimpe fe say ye wini. NDC knew they had not won the election. God is their witness. They knew they had not won it. But omunim say sebe NDC members you kura party cards no over 85% of them